Thanks for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we turn our focus to a key Latin American market, Brazil. Specifically, we are examining Resolution RDC 687-2022, a crucial piece of legislation from Brazil's health regulatory agency, ANVISA. This resolution establishes the administrative processes and technical requirements for obtaining good manufacturing practices, or GMP, certification for manufacturers of high-risk Class 3 and Class 4 medical devices. For any company looking to introduce such devices into the Brazilian market, understanding this regulation is not just important, it is absolutely essential. This resolution officially replaced the former guideline, RDC 183-2017, bringing updated procedures for compliance. The scope of RDC 687-2022 applies to all manufacturing sites, whether they are located within Brazil or internationally. The certification, known in Brazil as the Certificado de Boas Práticas de Fabricação, CBPF, is a mandatory prerequisite. Without it, ANVISA will not accept a registration application for any Class 3 or Class 4 device. The core of the regulation defines the entire life cycle of certification, from the initial application and submission of a detailed technical dossier to the on-site audit procedures conducted by ANVISA inspectors. These audits are designed to rigorously verify that a manufacturer's quality management system is in full compliance with Brazilian GMP standards. Manufacturers must prepare extensive documentation that proves their processes meet the required standards. This includes quality manuals, operational procedures, validation records, and risk management files. Once ANVISA is satisfied with the documentation and the results of the inspection, it issues the GMP certificate. A key detail for strategic planning is that this certification is valid for a period of 2 years. After this period, manufacturers must undergo a renewal process to maintain their certification and keep their products on the market. Navigating these requirements demands meticulous preparation and a deep understanding of ANVISA's expectations, as any misstep can lead to significant delays in market access. Effectively managing the requirements of RDC 687-2022 is a critical gateway to one of the largest medical device markets in the Americas. It standardizes quality expectations and provides a clear, albeit demanding pathway for manufacturers of high-risk devices. While it aligns with many international standards, it contains specific local nuances that require expert guidance to navigate successfully. If you need help navigating ANVISA's requirements for GMP certification or any other aspect of global market access, please check out Pure Global. For more resources, including our free AI tools and database, check the description for a link. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.